Forget about your money hacks. In this video, I'm going to showing you 3 AI tricks by which you can make your workflow and actually the business and clients pay for. I'm Mohammad Sajidz and you watching Sajidz Tech. Before starting this video, I request you, if you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, I request you please subscribe. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. So here in this video, I'm going to talking you about the 3 AI workflows, what you can follow and then you can earn money even though from your client, from your business. It's not possible that AI will give you money because AI have no any money machine, even though no money generator. They can tell you the processes, even though they can create your process for you as well, but they never pay you. You have to get paid from your client as well. So the first workflow, that is the ChatGPT plus Canva. So if you're a social media marketer or social media manager, in this case you need it. In this case, in the previous time, what you need to do, you need to think a lot of time, make a brainstorming, then you can create a caption or make a script for your social media content. Now it's over. You can go to the ChatGPT, give him your thoughts, and ChatGPT can help you to create some captions, some scripts and other things for you which you can post. And now the Canva, what they will do, you can just give him your thought. They can create a very much good thumbnail for you, even though for your caption images as well, what you can post for your website, for your Facebook, for your YouTube thumbnails, and then you can make it. Even though you can follow the same process for your marketing policies for your product sales. The workflow 2, that is the ChatGPT, Canva plus CapCut. If you are a video maker or you want to make a video for your product promotion, in this case you can create a small video, short video, whatever you tell. So in this case, how it will help you? ChatGPT can generate your script for this video, and then you can also generate a thumbnail from the Canva as well. And for the CapCut, it's very much good, easier for you, even though you can use it for your mobile. So it doesn't mean that you need a very high professional PC as well. So by that CapCut, you can just make and generate a video from your mobile, and then you can just edit it, that's all. And you can make a good thumbnail. Even though if you need some images as a slideshow for your video as well, you can also generate from the Canva. And ChatGPT S Plus, it will give you a lots of things like scripts, like captions, like other text as well. That's a good thing. The next thing, that is the WordPress plus ChatGPT. If you want to make a site, so here you can install a WordPress, and then you can ask your ChatGPT what theme is suitable for me, what plugins are suitable for me. Even though here ChatGPT will suggest you those themes, those plugins, what plugins you need to make your WordPress site more easier to see, more eye-catching, even though more SEO professional as well. If you want to be a developer, or you are a very small developer or not so much expertise, or you are learning, from here the ChatGPT, if you give him some commands that I want this type of code or this I want to do, in this case ChatGPT can give you this code according to your wish, but you have to have at least some idea regarding to this, so that you can change some codes, you can make it more professional, more polishing it, because it doesn't mean that ChatGPT can make you 100% things. It means ChatGPT will help you to make it, and then you can do it. So these are the 3 things by which you can make your money from your clients for businesses. Actually, businesses should have to pay you. It doesn't mean that AI will generate your money. So yeah guys, these are the things I want to show to you, and I hope you now guys like this video and you will work through this if it's suitable for you as well guys. Now guys, it's your turn. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then I request you please give a like that video, and please subscribe my channel as well. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.